Are you tired of struggling to slice through tough meats or crusty bread? An electric knife makes cutting quick and easy, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. If you are looking for the best electric knives available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. Be sure to check out the description below. The 5th product on this list is the Cuisinart CEK-30. The Cuisinart CEK-30 is a reliable knife for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen experience. Designed with versatility in mind, this knife features a sharp stainless steel blade capable of slicing through meats, bread, vegetables, and more. Its powerful motor ensures consistent performance, making it ideal for carving roast beef, cutting homemade bread, or preparing a vegetable platter. One standout feature of the Cuisinart CEK-30 is its ergonomic handle. This design ensures comfort for both right and left-handed users, allowing for precise control during operation. The knife also offers a convenient one-touch on slash-off function, simplifying its use for both novice and experienced cooks. The 36-inch cord provides enough length for flexibility in the kitchen, while the removable blade is dishwasher-safe, ensuring effortless cleanup. However, the knife comes with a single blade, which limits its application compared to models with interchangeable blade options. Additionally, while the cord length is sufficient, the lack of a cordless feature may be inconvenient for those looking for maximum mobility. The 4th product on this list is the HOMAIDER electric carving knife. The HOMAIDER electric carving knife is a versatile kitchen tool designed to make slicing effortless and efficient. Whether you're cutting meat, bread, or large fruits and vegetables, this knife delivers perfectly even slices with minimal effort. Its lightweight design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing users of all ages to carve with ease. With a 70.9-inch extra-long cable, you can conveniently use it anywhere in your kitchen without feeling restricted by the cord length. Built with durability in mind, the HOMAIDER electric knife features precision stainless steel blades that are strong, long-lasting, and dishwasher-safe for quick cleanup. The ergonomic handle enhances comfort during use, making it easy to carve various foods without straining your hand. Additionally, its low noise and low vibration operation ensures a smooth experience without unnecessary disturbances, ideal for households where noise is a concern. Safety is a priority with the HOMAIDER electric knife. Its dual safety lock mechanism prevents accidental activation, giving you peace of mind while using it. The product is ETL certified, ensuring it meets high safety standards. Plus, the US-based customer support and included 1-year cover demonstrate the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. While this electric knife excels in many areas, it may not be suitable for extremely dense or frozen items. Additionally, some users might find the need to manage its cord length slightly cumbersome in smaller kitchens. Still haven't found the best electric knives for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Eyoyofishcam cordless electric knife. The Eyoyofishcam cordless electric knife is a versatile kitchen tool designed to make cutting tasks effortless. With its cordless convenience, you can move freely in the kitchen, unhindered by power cords. Its rechargeable battery ensures you have enough cutting time to handle a variety of tasks, from preparing family meals to carving a holiday roast. One of the standout features is the reciprocating blade, which guarantees efficient and precise cuts. Whether slicing meats, bread, or vegetables, this knife delivers consistent results. The inclusion of 2 sets of stainless steel blades adds to its versatility, allowing you to tackle a range of tasks such as filleting fish or slicing crusty loaves. The knife's ergonomic handle enhances comfort during use, even for extended periods, minimizing hand fatigue. Additionally, the safety switch is thoughtfully designed to balance ease of use with secure operation. Unlock the trigger with a simple push of the switch, and once the knife is running, you can release the safety mechanism for uninterrupted use. Despite its many advantages, the Eyoyofishcam cordless electric knife does have some downsides. Its rechargeable battery requires periodic recharging, which might be inconvenient for long or frequent cutting tasks. The safety switch mechanism, while secure, may take some time to get used to for first-time users. The second product on this list is the Elite Gourmet EK-9000-810. The Elite Gourmet EK-9000-810 is designed to make food preparation quick and efficient. Its standout feature is the rechargeable cordless handle, which allows for seamless maneuvering around the kitchen without the hassle of a power cord. The knife charges fully in just 1.5 hours and offers up to 70 minutes of continuous use, making it an excellent choice for large meals or extended tasks. Equipped with 4 stainless steel blades, the Elite Gourmet EK-9000-810 includes 2 sets of reciprocating, serrated blades that handle a variety of slicing needs. From carving meats like turkey and ham to slicing bread loaves and delicate tomatoes, this electric knife is a multi-purpose solution. It's also great for non-food applications like cutting crafting foam, making it a valuable addition to any household. The ergonomic design includes a lightweight build and a one-touch trigger button for safe and effortless use. When the trigger is released, the knife powers down immediately, ensuring safety. Additionally, the product comes with a 1-year limited warranty and access to a responsive US-based customer support team, offering peace of mind to buyers. However, the Elite Gourmet EK-9000-810 isn't without its drawbacks. Its 70-minute usage limit may not suffice for highly demanding tasks, and the need for recharging between extended uses could interrupt workflow. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet EK-9000-810 combines efficiency, versatility, and safety into a compact design. While it may not be ideal for heavy-duty, continuous tasks, it excels in everyday kitchen use and occasional crafting projects. Before we reveal the best electric knives on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our best electric knives is the Laudlife Cordless Electric Knife. The Laudlife Cordless Electric Knife is designed to make slicing and carving effortless. With its rechargeable and cordless design, it offers the freedom to move around your kitchen without being tethered by a cord. This knife is perfect for carving meats, slicing bread, or even filleting fish, making it a handy addition to any cooking routine. Its modern design and ergonomic, contoured grip ensure comfortable handling, even during extended use. The stainless steel blades are crafted with a V-grind edge, providing precise and clean cuts every time. Whether you're preparing a holiday turkey or slicing a loaf of fresh bread, this knife delivers consistent results. It's not just practical, but also easy to maintain. Hand washing is recommended to keep it in top condition. One of the unique aspects of this product is its compatibility with various uses, from meat carving to delicate filleting, making it suitable for home chefs of all levels. Its white finish and sleek design also make it an attractive addition to your kitchen tools, blending style with functionality. However, it does have some drawbacks. The knife requires periodic recharging, which may be inconvenient during extended use. Additionally, the V-grind blade may take some getting used to for those unfamiliar with its edge style. In conclusion, the Laudlife Cordless Electric Knife is a modern, reliable, and efficient kitchen tool. While it has a few minor limitations, its versatility and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for everyday cooking and special occasions. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these 2 that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.